What's going on, guys? This is Vince with Vshred.com, and in today's video I'm going to give you a body weight chest workout to do from home. Alright, so like I said, today's workout is going to be a chest workout using only your body weight, so you don't need a gym membership, you don't need any kind of equipment, all you need is yourself, and to make sure that you're doing these push-ups right, because it is a workout of 5 different push-up variations, basically all just supersetted with each other, minimal rest in between, and basically you're going to do as many rounds as you can handle until you can't do any more push-ups. And this is for those of you who are looking to get a bigger chest, who are looking for chest workouts, chest exercises that you can do without going to a gym, because I get requests like that all the time. So first exercise, like I said, is going to be a variation of 5 different push-ups. So we're going to go from a incline push-up. So you're going to have your hand up on something to make it a little easier. You want to start out, you don't want to fatigue your muscles too fast. You're going to start out, you're going to do 10 push-ups with your hands on some kind of platform. You're going to do 10 push-ups there, and then you're going to jump into a 10-second rest after you do 10 push-ups there. After that 10-second rest, you're going to drop down into close grip push-ups. This is going to be emphasizing more of your triceps than your chest, but also working your chest as your secondary mover in the exercise. So then what you're going to do is 10 reps again, then follow that up with another 10-second rest. After you do that, you're going to move into a regular push-up. We all know what regular push-ups are. You're going to have your hands about shoulder width apart. Make sure your shoulders are rolled back, and you're going to push down 10 reps again. After that, 10-second rest, and then you're going to move into a wide grip push-up. Wide grip push-up is going to be another great chest variation. You're going to make sure your hands are outside of your shoulders. You're going to go 10 reps again. After that, you're going to rest for 10 seconds, and then you're going to move into the last exercise, which is going to be a decline push-up. So you're going to flip around from the incline push-up, put your feet up on one of those platforms, and this is going to be probably the hardest push-up variation of the whole workout, and we're finishing off with the whole round with this type of push-up. That way you really make sure that you burn out your chest as much as you can. After that, you're going to rest for 1 minute. So that's one round. You're going to rest for 1 minute at the end of that round, and you're going to repeat that as many times as you want. I would say go for 3 or 4 rounds, and I guarantee if you do this right, you stick to those 10-second rests in between, and you really push yourself, you're going to be feeling it by the end of this workout. And if you guys are looking for more workouts just like this, and you're trying to get in shape, you're trying to drop your body fat, build strength, build muscle, I do have a free body type quiz that takes all the information it needs to know and then spits out a video with the 3 most important things that you need to be doing for your body type. You can check that out by clicking the link in the description right below this video. Other than that, if you guys like this workout, make sure you're hitting the thumbs up button below, or if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comment section. And then last but not least, make sure you are smashing that subscribe button. That way you're getting notified when I release a new video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.